Vivekanand, in his very famous book, Karma Yoga, explained that the desire to do good and help others is the highest motive and privilege given to man. One of the many ways in which one can do good is by involving in selfless acts of charity. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I, Ms. Danya Bapanad, on behalf of Aloka Foundation, extend a very warm welcome to everyone who is attending today's virtual event. We all have gathered here today for the results declaration of Sing for a Cause conducted by Aloka Foundation. An event which not only gives you a chance to showcase your talent in front of the world, but also gives you an opportunity to do good deed. It was indeed an overwhelming response that we obtained from all of you. The level of enthusiasm shown by each one of you, be it a young kid who is budding to be the future of our country, or a teen who is building a foundation for a better tomorrow, or an elderly with a treasure of experience, was immense. I thank you all for being a part of this event. Before we announce the result, I would like to call upon Miss Neeta and Miss Vilsita, who will take you all through the journey of Aloka Foundation so far. Over to you, Neeta.
Aloka Foundation. Aloka was launched on 6th September 2020 and has been started by a group of people with a simple vision of serving the society in every way possible. Objectives: provide financial support schemes in order to undertake and carry out charitable education, provide food, medicine, and monetary help to the students for educational purpose, help orphanages, old age homes, poor houses for the welfare of people, render monetary and other assistance for the relief of people affected by natural and other calamities. Carrying out tree plantation drives and involving as major contributors to environment, to publish books, pamphlets for the advancement of education and awareness, running of welfare services to the public, and provide socially useful activities and functions, providing counseling services and guidelines to the public.
Glimpse of events. Henry Wadsworth Longfellow once said, "The life of a man consists not in saying visions and in dreaming dreams, but in active charity and in willing service." Aloka Foundation and its team was grateful to serve the society in all aspects and reach out to people needing our love, kindness, and help. Our foundation has collaborated with many other organizations in Mangalore to reach out to people. I would like to take you through the glimpse of what some of the activities our foundation has carried out. Go Green Drive. During the difficult times of pandemic last year on World Ozone Day, Aloka Foundation and its team distributed saplings in office, houses, and institutions, taking into consideration all the precautionary measures and promoted the practice of tree plantation. Animal Feed Drive. He who feeds a hungry animal feeds his own soul. Aloka Foundation, in association with Animal Care Trust Mangalore, initiated an animal feed drive where we generated funds to provide the necessary requirements to the Animal Care Trust. Not only that, the members of our foundation all over Mangalore distributed food and biscuits to animals on the street. World Mental Health Day. The social media team of Aloka Foundation came up with the great idea of spreading awareness on World Mental Health Day by conducting online contests. The main aim behind conducting these contests were to make people aware about the importance of mental health. International Women's Day. On March 8, 2021, Aloka Foundation was fortunate enough to collaborate with Sevashrama Organization, which is a Mangalore-based organization for destitute women. With the funds and the help that was received by people for this International Women's Day, our foundation could help Sevashrama Organization and its inmates with food and other necessary requirements that the inmates need on a daily basis. On social media platforms as well, International Women's Day was celebrated by conducting various contests like poster making and short filmmaking contests, which received an overwhelming response from people. International Dance Day. On this occasion, the members promoted this day by asking people to share their 1-minute happy dance video, which also received a good response from people from various states. You can check out our YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook to see the videos. Online painting competition. The novel coronavirus has affected everyone. To help people who are affected by the lockdown and COVID, our foundation came up with an idea of hosting different contests as a way to generate funds for the COVID relief. The online painting competition received over 130 plus registrations. The contest was judged by a talented panel of judges. Traditional yoga sessions. 21st June 2021 is celebrated as International Yoga Divas. Taking this into consideration, Aloka Foundation decided to collaborate with traditional yoga practitioners Miss Nayana and Mrs. Smita to conduct a 5-day yoga session. If you're interested, kindly register yourself for a free yoga session on 13th of June, Sunday, followed by a 5-day yoga session. The registration link has been sent to the chat box and the details of yoga session will be available on all our social media accounts as well as it will be sent to you through WhatsApp and emails. As your participation makes any event successful, make sure you do not miss out any opportunity to learn something that will benefit your health. Social media awareness. Aloka Foundation services does not only limit to conducting activities and events. We make sure to keep our social media game strong by posting about important days and their significance regularly. In this way, we educate people about the significant days and help them know its importance. You can check out YouTube Shorts on our channel to get latest information on the pandemic and stay updated.
To be inspired is great, but to be an inspiration is an honor. Now, I request Ms. Prerna to introduce the chief guest for the evening.
Thank you, Danya. An able navigator is one who has the courage to lose the sight of the shore. Today, we are fortunate to have a navigator who is our chief guest who has succeeded in his professional life. That is none other than Dr. Muhammad Gulzar Ahmad Sir. He has completed D Pharm and B Pharm from Adi Chunchanagiri College and M Pharm from Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences. He has also done his PhD in Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. He has vast experience of 21 years in teaching, research and administration. At present, he is the Dean of Pharmacy in Yenapoya University. He is also a faculty of pharmacy of RGUHS, member of Academic Council of Yenapoya University. He is also the chairman for Institutional Ethical Committee in Sri Hasanamba Dental College and Hospital, Hassan. I heartily welcome you to this virtual session, sir. I would like to call upon Dr. Muhammad Gulza Ahmed, sir, to enlighten us with his thoughts. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, all of you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening. Good evening. First of all, it gives me a great pleasure I'm very much thrilled that I have been a part of such a noble cause doing by Aloka Foundation. And it's not the first time for me. In fact, the earlier also, I think maybe for one or yes, I was there, and I'm witnessing many of the programs, and frequently I'm getting the various awareness programs you are doing. So really, it's a wonderful job by Aloka Foundation. Now, apart from that, I can see the group of people who are engaged in the various kind of activities, just a span of not even 1 year. So you could able to do so many programs. Just for the information of the latest program, what you have conducted, it may be a painting as well as the singing competition for a noble cause. So it looked like only you are searching for a talent, but I can say this is not only a talent in a present situation where the peoples are very much stressed about that and tensed are there, and it's a very good platform. They can come out from that kind of a fear, at least for some time. So definitely it may be very much joyful. The peoples who are passionate to listen the music, for them really it's a great occasion. And the peoples who are also a hobby of singing, for them also it's a great opportunity. And of course, the revenue generated from this is using for a noble cause. Really, it is a very much appreciable. I wish behalf of myself for the Aloka Foundation. So let the God can give more courage in future to do various the social activities. Let your Aloka Foundation in Mangalore, in Karnataka, or in the whole world. So thank you very much for making me a part of this great function. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to introduce you the judges who judged this singing competition. I request Ms. Disha Matthias to introduce the judges.
Thank you, Danya. Singing task under the banner of Aloka Foundation has paved a long way for the dawn of great melody to multiply the talent of singing. The three great young stars are our judges to celebrate this happy go event for a noble cause of Aloka Foundation. Our judges have sacrificed their time and services, having a warm thought. With a big cheer, we extend our thanks to you. Here we go with the first judge, RJ Ajay S. Pillai, who has judged the first category of tiny tots up to 12 years of age. He is a pot of information you need to start each day with. He hosts the morning show for Radio Mirchi 98.3 FM, Mangalore, known as WhatsApp Mangalore. Namakudla loves to wake up with this energetic voice, and everyone has just one question. Itni energy kahan se laate ho? Ajay is simply a powerhouse, born in Udupi and brought up in Mumbai. He is simply crazy about music and a very good singer. A big movie buff. He has completed his bachelor's in banking and insurance from Vivek College, Mumbai University. After working in banking, hospitality, telecom, and digital media, now this happiness machine has been with radio for the last 5 years. He has been the jury for all renowned colleges in Mangalore. He believes in the golden funda. The future depends on what you do today.
Bindas attitude and love to connect to everyone with this Pagalpanti. We are glad to have such a dynamic personality like RJ Ajay, who has great humor to fill in us. We are glad at this valedictory of singing competition, his live presence has graced our virtual meet. Now, I request you, RJ Ajay, to give your views on this event.
Thank you so much for such a warm welcome. And it's really been a very happy feeling to be a part of this event. And to talk about Aloka Foundation, firstly, I would say you guys are doing a fantastic job. Wherein in these difficult times, I do understand it's challenging for each and every one of us. And definitely, everyone wants कि ये pandemic का situation जो है जल्द से जल्द खत्म हो जाए and we get our lives back to normal. But when I talk about this event or any other events that Aloka Foundation is doing, and especially at this time of pandemic wherein you are raising funds for the COVID-19, so I would say it's a great job, and I was really happy to judge this category because kids definitely have a very special soft corner in my heart. So when I started judging this event, so I could only say I had this thought in back of my mind, oh no, I think it's going to be really difficult because I was liking each and every contestant who had participated in the singing. So I thought it would be really bad on my part to judge all the singing. But apart from this, keeping aside all the factors, every day there is a winner and a loser. But when you lose, it doesn't mean that you cannot win again. So it's always a learning experience, which has happened with me as well. But I would say all the contestants who have participated in this event, I love them all. In fact, I shared the videos with my family as well. I showed the videos to my family because I was feeling so cute and amazed about the singing that I couldn't control my emotions. So I would say it was a great gesture from Aloka Foundation to make me a part of this event, and I really feel humbled for this. And yes, thank you so much once again, and thank you for all the participants for making it so special. Thank you.
Thank you, RJ Ajay. Moving into our next category judge, who is Miss Premal Seravo. She has just the second category from 13 to 18 years of age. She is a data analyst by profession and a singer by passion, a graduate in Bachelor of Electronics and Communication Engineering, a self-taught singer who has been singing ever since she was 7, serves as a choir master for the English choir group at Derebai that has rendered beautiful choirs for numerous occasions. She accompanies her singing with many instruments, is a singer for many professional bands in and around Mangalore, and also she has been a part of a renowned a cappella group of Mangalore called Blue Angels. We are extremely happy to have you as one of the judge, and you filled great color and sense to our event. Thank you, ma'am. Moving into our next category, our next judge is Mr. Ashwin DeCosta. He is a judge for the third category of 18 years above. Indeed, his presence in our event is a fortunate chance to grow with aptitudes. In profession, he is a senior software engineer working as assistant manager at KPMG India Private Limited, Bangalore. He is a many-sided genius with a great passion for singing, dancing, composing songs, acting, playing instruments, and a unique talent of photography too. His melody has touched the hearts of younger generation globally. Mr. Ashwin DeCosta has performed with the Bollywood fames like Usha Uttar, Anurag Podwal, Remo Fernandez, and Sandalwood fames like Guru Kiran. He has sung 50 plus albums in various languages, includes pop songs and devotional songs. For 100 plus songs, his melody is raised in short films, radio, and TV jingles. He has also performed the song before the former President of India, Pratibha Patil. He has performed around 250 plus stage shows We are extremely proud to have you as one of our judge, and we are inspired by your achievements within a short span of your young career. Our all three judges under three different categories have honestly done justice to the competition under your great capacities. We bow to your time and services you extended at our event. Thank you all once again.
The time has finally come to know the results of Sing for a Cause. Without any further delay, I request Ms. Purti to declare the results.
Thank you, Danya. Now is the time we all have been waiting for. The results of all the categories are with me. But before I announce the results, let me tell you that you all are winners and deserve a pat on the back. Believe me, it's a win-win situation because with this contest, you're not just participating, but you're also helping someone in need. So now, without any further delay, let me announce the winners. So starting with the first category of age group 7 to 12 years, the first prize is backed by Sanvi Bhatt. And now the second prize goes to Suzanne Carol de Almeida. And now the consolation prize is backed by Meldria de Souza. Now the second category is of age 13 to 18 years. And the first prize is backed by Fatima Nahida. Congratulations. And now the second prize goes to Parik Heli Sujil Kumar. And here the first prize is backed by Prerna J. Congratulations to you. And the second prize goes to P. Manoj Kumar. And the consolation prize is backed by Vilsita Snehal D'Souza. So by this, congratulations to all the prize winners and the participants for your contribution. Thank you.
This event will be an incomplete one if we do not thank you all. Now, I request Ms. Ashel to deliver the vote of thanks.
A very good evening to you all, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to deliver this vote of thanks for the event to all the dignitaries, the participants, and the team members assembled here. First of all, I would like to thank the members of Aloka Foundation who gave me this opportunity to speak on this occasion and deliver the vote of thanks. It is a matter of honor for me. On behalf of the entire foundation, I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Mohammad Gulzar Ahmed Sir, because this event is incomplete without his presence and inspiring words. Thank you so much for taking out your precious time and attending this virtual event.
Thank you so much.
On behalf of Team Aloka, we would also like to thank Mr. Ashwin DeCosta, RJ Ajay, and Ms. Primal Serrao for accepting our invitation to judge this event. We appreciate you stepping up and adapting to the online judging experience for Sing for a Cause. We sincerely appreciate your time and effort in making our contest a successful one. Once again, thanks for your generous support, and we hope that you will consider supporting Aloka Foundation in the future. We have been fortunate enough to be assisted by the founder members of Aloka Foundation. You have been a constant support and you have given us a lot of encouragement. Thank you for helping us to make this event a successful one. I would also like to thank the social media management team of Aloka Foundation and the supporting members who managed to prepare this entire program in a short time. You have made the best arrangement for this program. Thank you wholeheartedly. And lastly, my vote of thanks wouldn't be complete if I don't thank the participants who are present here today for this evening. Thank you so much for participating in this event because today some of them might have won, some of them might have lost, but we all have won in one thing, and that is helping. Thank you for making this event a successful one. We hope and aspire that you will support us in the following years to come and participate in the other events that Aloka Foundation conducts from time to time. Thank you once again.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and family.